Hey Kitty Fam, today we are going to be doing something really special. I hope you enjoy my new little animation. It's called Purry Goes on a Treasure Hunt by Kayli Kittie. Name Purry, age 1, gender female, type cute cat. Cute, kawaii, friendly, positive, kind, nice, brave. Favorite color, pink. Crush. What is that? A bottle? Wait, there's something inside. It's a treasure map. Well, let's go treasure hunting. I gotta start packing. I'll put this in. Okie dokie, I think I'm done. Let's go. I'll take that. I'll take some water. Grab stool, takes water. Puts the stool back. It says we need to go this way. I think this is the enchanted forest. Oh, it's getting late. I'll set a camp here tonight. There. Midnight. Shutter. Huh? What was that? It's a little bird. Wait, I think it's hungry. Wait here. I will get you some of my bread. There we go. Bye-bye, birdie. Take care. Time to sleep again. In the morning. Good morning, Purry. Time to go to Pond River. What are you? Hi there, sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. Well, what are you? I'm Jiggles. I look scary, so no one wants to be friends with me. Sad face. Oh well, I'm on a treasure hunt. Do you want to come along? I could be your friend. My name is Purry. Oh, I would love to. Okay then, let's go. We're here at the Pond River. What are you doing on my land? Hey, who told you that you can yell at my friend? Do you want to fight? Yeah. Game on. Is that what you got? Ah! Yay, you won. Are you hurt? Nope, I'm fine. Okay, that's good. On the map it says to go across the pond. Hop on. Whoa. There is the treasure box. Here, take some. Huh? Who are you? I am Jiggles, and I transfer myself into a monster to see if anyone was kind enough to be my friend. You did just that, and now you also decided to share me your treasure, so you get even more treasure. Oh, thank you. Jiggles, can you still be my friend? Of course. And here is your prize, love. I'll bring you back home. Puts the treasure in the closet. Thanks for watching. There's even that little monster there. I hope you kitty fans enjoyed this video.